Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. So don't forget like and subscribe. Step 1, go to the Instagram app. Click at the first option. After that, click on three line. On this page, click on setting and privacy. Scroll down and account privacy. Now you can enable this option to make your Instagram private account. And also you can turn off to make public in Instagram account. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.